So today we're going to be wrapping up our study on data by talking about correlation versus causation. So what are they? Well, this causation is just that, causing something to happen. If A happens, it causes B to happen. Okay? For example, does doing homework cause you to get better grades? Okay? Then there's correlation. Correlation means that if A happens, then B happens at the same exact time. So is it a correlation that if I do homework, my grades are going to be better? All right, well, first of all, we need to identify a couple vocabulary words. The first vocabulary word has to do with the independent variable, and which in our case with the grades would be doing homework. It's called interpolation. Predict the value of the independent variable within the data. Well, I'm either going to do homework or I'm not going to do homework. And then I have extrapolation, which means I'm predicting the value of the dependent variable. And so if I do the homework, then are my grades going to be better? Okay? Causation is when the change in one of those variables causes a change in the other variable. Causation produces a strong correlation. Problems together. Research has hinted that when sales of ice cream increases, the violent crime rate and murder also increases. Is this a correlation or a causation? Well, eating ice cream does not turn people violent, nor does it cause them to murder someone else. Therefore, the relationship between sales and violent crime is a correlation. One has nothing to do with the other. In a series of experiments from 1924 to 1932, researchers studied the worker productivity effects associated with altering the Illinois factory's environment, including changing light levels, tidying up the place, and moving workstations around. Productivity increased during the study. However, the increases in productivity stopped almost as soon as the research was finished. Well, let's think about this. The workers were aware of the research being conducted. Their knowledge of the research automatically caused the workers to increase their productivity. The work environment improvements had a correlation with productivity. But during the research period, the environment changes did have a causation relationship with productivity. Then the increased productivity would have continued after the study. Therefore, the effect and knowledge of the study is referred to, and in this case called the Hawthorne effect. In 1978, a sports reporter predicted that if one of the original 16 NFL teams won the Super Bowl, the stock market would jump in value. Many people believed him. That year, an original team won the Super Bowl, and the stock market ended the year at a new record. Is the situation a correlation or a causation? Well, a team winning the Super Bowl does not cause people to increase their investment in the stock market, nor does it cause them to withdraw money from the stock market. Therefore, the relationship between whichever team won and the value of the stock market was a correlation, even though one event had nothing to do with the other. Okay, it's your turn. This time, read all 4 problems, stop the video, make your choices, and when you're ready, restart the video again. Okay, so let's look at number 5. Number 5 is B, because most people who want to lose excess weight assume that cutting down on calories will automatically help them lose weight. Eating breakfast rather than skipping breakfast could actually add calories because skipping breakfast means 0 calories for the breakfast meal. However, based on medical research, eating healthy breakfast causes other situations during the day that could lead to excess weight loss. Therefore, the situation is a causation. Number 6 is D. It's difficult to determine this situation. While it's true that no vaccine is 100% harmless, the belief in this causal link arises mainly from natural parental concern. There is much confusion on this issue, fueled by anecdotal evidence and influenced by bias. 7 is A. The amount of hair on a head of candidates for office in Russia or any other country has no impact on which candidate will win the election over such a long period, nearly 200 years. And number 8 is A. The study is focusing on the age of the trucks, but not on the manner in which the trucks are operated or the conditions in which they are operated. There are many, many factors that affect the cost of repairs. If trucks are older, they tend to break down more, but the age of the truck does not specifically cause them to break down. Therefore, the relationship is a correlation.